Let's do one more acid test. This time, let's see what happens when salt water is mixed with baking soda and lemonade is mixed with baking soda. We're going to try to see if we can gather more evidence for which one of these two substances is an acid. Let's go ahead and start with lemonade again. So I'm going to add a few drops of lemonade. And then a little baking soda. Now, it might be hard to see from where you are, but this is creating some small bubbles. Now let's go ahead and test our salt water with baking soda. So here's our salt water. We'll add another drop. And then let's add baking soda. So on this one, the water and the baking soda just sort of mixed, but it didn't create any bubbles. And again, I can make my salt water slide down my sheet protector. Okay, so go ahead and think about the two tests we have done. We tested lemonade with both baking soda and purple liquid, and we tested salt water with both baking soda and purple liquid. Do you have enough evidence now to tell me whether lemonade or salt water is an acid?